dear friend, this is Rakesh here. Once again, you are welcome to Resolve for You. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to download this fantastic Affinity Photo 2, which is the real alternative of Photoshop. You know, Photoshop is so costly. You have to pay 20 to 30, 40, $50. I don't know. Every month you have to pay. And most of people, using a Photoshop that are not the original. Those are pirated versions of Photoshop. But nowadays, Affinity Photo is providing a 6-month trial, dear friend. It's a huge discount for us. Great deal. And after 6 months, there are some discounts. Sometimes 50% discount, sometimes 40% discount. In other ways, this software is now available at only at 59 and something $60 for whole life. You can use this. And sometimes if there will be a major upgrade in the software, you have to pay some percentage or upgradation fee. Otherwise, it's like a totally free, like DaVinci Resolve. Some days ago, I purchased the whole life perpetual license I have. In the same way, if you are a professional like a photo editors, you have too much photo editing work, or other, or a hobbyist, if you want to make a YouTube thumbnail or some basic photo editing, you can download this software. Don't miss the class, don't miss the tutorial. Listen till the end, then you will understand. We will cover all the basic points how we can get this software for 6 months totally free without any obligation, dear friend. And at the last, we will tell you as a bonus tips to other softwares which are totally free and the best software. And these software are the real alternative of Adobe Photoshop or other. If you want to totally place Adobe product, Adobe Photoshops, these are the fantastic software. Today's lesson will be very special because 6 months, it's a big deal, dear friend. 6 months you can use a photo Affinity Photo, which is the real alternative of Photoshop, dear friend. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, dear. Without wasting time, let's jump into Resolve for You. Hello, dear friend. For this fantastic software and total replacement of Adobe Photoshop, you have to come here. First on Google, type Infinity Photo, and you see there is a two plan best photo editing software here, and purchase option and pricing. You can go any of this link. I just click here. You see there are he has plan here for this is just plan for one. If you want to designer, this is Illustrator, this is a Photo Infinity $69. You have to check. They have sometimes 50% off discount here. And you see here, this is actually the main point here. This try for free. You see here this try for free. You can try it for free for 6 months. It's they are giving us the free trial. You see upgrade, one-time payment including tax. We will not do. We will try this free version there. When we come to this second site here, I just highlight here. You see this is actually this 6-month trial. You see this is actually the main point I am telling you. It's a 6-month trial, dear friends. It's a 2 months. 6 months is 2 months. You can learn a lot about this software to continue. If you want to continue, if any discount, you can just buy for the perpetual plan. And now we come here to how we can download all this. We have to come here. You see buy now or try for free. You just click here, try for free. This is for Mac. You see Mac 69, Windows $69. You see iPad. If you have iPad, it's 18.49 dollar USD. You can buy. I have just downloaded and tried, and I found that this is the best software. And 6 months free is too much here. We will just click here, try for free. I'm just showing you because I have already downloaded, and more than 1 week I have used this software, and I have learned a lot here. You see I have email address, everything, and you will just click here, add my email address. Okay, and you see use a different ID. You see already I have registered, sign into this account. I have, you see you have to just click password here, and you can sign in here. You see in Affinity Store here, and here you have to just you have to follow the whole process, stay informed about product and update offers. Yes, I will click, and I will just I'm showing you get download links here, and they will once send you link, and you have to click here, and you have to you see download. I have already downloaded, so you pre-download link. This is a link. From here you download. Downloading is the not a tough task, and once it's downloaded, you click here first. You see here, and once it's downloaded here, you come here to our direct to download file here, and you see once you will double click here, this is a file our. It will be uploaded, and it will ask everything. It will send you to mail, and you will click everything, and it will be downloaded ultimately here. You see I have an Infinity Photo now. I just want to use, and I want to show you how we can work in Infinity Photo. I will just click here. You see here I have Infinity Photo 2, and I will just click. You see it's opening Infinity Photo 2. It's a 2.55 loading fonts, everything. Now we are inside Infinity Photo, and then if you want to make for example, I show you how we can make a YouTube thumbnail inside Infinity Photo. Here we will write 1280 our YouTube side. Here we will write 720, 720. This is YouTube thumbnail side. Everything is okay. We will just click here. You see everything. This is actually the interface UI of Infinity Photo. You see how this is a modern UI, and here you see file, edit, text, document, layer, select, arrange, filters, view, windows. Here you see every time here view tool. You see view tool S2. This is the move tool which we use in a Photoshop or GIMP. You see color picker. You can take color. This is a crop tool. From here you can crop. This is a selection brush tool. W is a shortcut. It has some other shortcut. If you have worked in Photoshop or inside the GIMP, you have to remember its shortcut. This is, you see, color select tool W, and you see rectangle marker tool M. These are the tool, every tools you will find here. This is a color fill tool G. You see gradient tool. This is the paint brush tool B. This is a paint mixer brush. This is the erase brush tool. E is a shortcut. This is the dodge brush tool. O is a shortcut. You have to remember the shortcut, otherwise after when you start working you can customize shortcut according to your previous software. Clone brush tool, this shortcut is a K. You see undo brush tool. This is the blur brush tool we use to blur the photo when editing photo. This is a healing brush tool, shortcut is a J. This is a pen tool, shortcut is a P. Here you see this is a rectangle tool, shortcut is UI. Here from you can add text, artistic text tool, shortcut is T, like in GIMP or Photoshop. Same everything is here. Mesh warp tool is here. This is a zoom tool. When you click it will be zoomed, and from here you can change UI. You see black, white. You can click here. From here black, white. I click black to where color will be changed here. You see black, click black here. And actually this is the main. From here file, everything is same. You can see one by one. When you download you have to see this very carefully. See, these all shortcuts are very important. Some shortcuts are not so very difficult to remember if you have worked in the last software. Here you can size everything, you can crop. Here this is a cropping document. Here from here this is a filter. From here you can change the color of your, you can color grade your photos. From here you can arrange. Here you see, and view, you rotate left right. This is view windows. From here you can add library. You see have a scope, a snapshot. You have to click add. We have one tutorial. Please write if you want tutorial. I will make tutorial about this. I want to take a background color here. For control, you have to control. You see, you can maximize, minimize. Just control and mouse wheel up and down. Make your mouse wheel up and down. You see, I am making increasing, decreasing size. In this way you can control. It's very easy. It's UI is not difficult like GIMP or Photoshop. It's a perfect for beginners and professional too. It's a good of about this software. That's why I like. I want to check more color for YouTube thumbnail here. I can take from color here. I can pick from here. You see this color. This is the actual color, foreground color. This is set as a background color. This is actually the background color. If you want to change from here, we can take foreground color. For YouTube, I want to take this color. And when you come here, this you see bucket tool. This see colored. This in black. Yeah, I have worked in GIMP too much. So much time. So I remember that. Just click G here. Click, and you will see. No, it has changed. Actually, this is now our canvas for YouTube thumbnail. Here you can get assistant. If you click here, it will assist you. This is best software, dear friend, if you want to work as a professional or just hobbyist. I want to take a photo for our nowadays. I have DaVinci Resolve tutorial. I will come here, and I have in this folder. I have here YouTube thumbnail. You see DaVinci Resolve logo here. I will just click logo from here, and I will drag here. And once you drag, you have to scale. For scaling, you have to come here in a document here. You see here you have to shortcut is resize document. Control Alt I, because I'm from GIMP and Photoshop. So this here there is different, but you can just click here. From here you can resize, and you see I have it's just showing me that YouTube thumbnail size is this. I will just click it. It will join. I will click here. You see I will join. Okay, resize. From here I will click resize. Come to selection. You have to don't forget to select A, B, V to select. Then you can move from here. Select. You see. If you take one corner, it will be equally. It will be resized. Otherwise, from here it will be distort one side. In GIMP there was other system like you. It will from one side. It will you see resize from here. It's not good. So the Control Z. Once if you make mistake, Control Z. Just click. No, from here any corner you have to take. Then it will take equally like this. You see from this corner I'm taking. It will equally from any corner you take. Click here. This you see. This is a round here. This is a round. Just click here. This ball, round ball, and you can make like this bigger, smaller. It's very easy. and you can drag from here anywhere very easily. You can drag. This is the software. It's a contact background because I forgot to background. If you click background, it will start dragging your background. So remember, this is the layer. From here, if you want to change, just click on layer. Don't make mistake. Once it's okay, you see. Remember, this is a layer. This is a pixel. It's a layer. It's a layer. No, it's okay. I will click just okay. Here you have to click here view tool if you want to return after selection tool like in other, and I will come here. I will just click on the background because this is our background, and we come here to take some photo. You see, more photo I want to take for our YouTube. I need for my tutorial, I want to take my photo. One of I have some photo here. You see, I take from here, I take any photo. So I have here some of this I take for our this white. I will just drag here. You see, I will drag and put to here. No, in the same way you have to come to resize because document come here. Always remember, because this you can't, and resize, otherwise you use your shortcut control alt plus I will just click here. Okay, this is I'm showing me. Okay, I will resize. I will just click resize here, and now I'm here. I will just click here. Once you have dragged the photo here, you see, from here in the same way you have to come here and just click here resize document, and from here corner you have to just drag. If you want to just plate your photo from one corner, it will be distorted. So I will not use in. I will not recommend from this resize like this. Resize from any corner you take from here. You see, I am equally resize. A control Z, you can return if distortion in the photo, you can return here. From here, I will just adjust, put the photo here. Control click if you want to zoom this. Shortcut is a control, and you have to click the your mouse wheel up and down. I am making bigger. You see, like in this way, you can adjust. I want to adjust here, and I will put here like in this way. Okay, once it's okay, I have to just click here view. You see here view, it will be okay. No, it has gone. No, we come to the here main layer. This is our main layer. If you have worked already in any raster program, photo editing program, you can understand. No, I want to take one more element for our we will take more element for our thumbnail. We will come here, and I have a element in here. We'll drag this element because I have downloaded. You can download some element. It will be okay. And if you want to move, this is a V shortcut, is a V here. You see, I can move here, and from here we can make bigger, larger, like in this way. And here I will add here, like add here. And if you want to, you see layer, these are layers. You can move layer from here in like GIMP or Photoshop. I want to put layer here, upside here. You see, our layer is here. I will just click here in this way because I want to show very effective thumbnail, very simple and effective. I want to make thumbnail. I will like make like this because you see in this way you can make your fantastic. You can download from a net like such type of element. All are free, and we will come here. Now I want to write text, and you see this is a text. Once you click here, you text, and you see all the property has appeared here for text. It's a very easy to work in this software. It's a once again I show you. We'll just type here the Vinci because I have the Vinci tutorial, and we will just make its bigger size here in this way, and you will just select here, and from here you can make bigger. So you see, like in this way you can bigger 64. We can make it 64, and you can make box bigger like here. You see, now it will be adjusted in the box, inside box here. See, just drag here. In this way you can make bigger, smaller, and see, in this way you can make, you have to drag like this, and you can adjust. If you want to change the color here, from here you can just click here. You can take say various type of color, for example red. If you want to take a red color, you can take a red color, or like yellow. It's a 6 month free. It's a good software. We must try. That's why I downloaded to try, because I was working in GIMP after the Photoshop, after migration from Photoshop to GIMP and Krita, and two software we will talk now. And you see, now we will select here. If you want to make it more bigger, the next class we will learn about this software more in detail. You see, we can make bigger. You see, 144, 72 pt, we can 96. Okay, we have in now. If you want to bold this, you can make bold here. You come here, you see it's bold now. From here you can take various type of styles. Here we have lot. Here you can make more bold, narrow. See, narrow, bold italic. You can take black, regular size. This is we take this bold size for our tutorial thumbnail. It's so good, and we can maximize here from size. If you want to move this layer, so you just click here, come here. You see here shortcut is a V for here. In GIMP it was M. You see, I will put here, for example, I want. In this way you can make a very various type of thumbnail using this software. I like this very professional software. It's the real replacement of Photoshop, and its performance is very stable and trustworthy programs. And the interface is, you see, not very tough. It's not. If you want to type next any other text in the same way, you come here and you click here text. Yeah, start typing here. For example, I want to type here. You can type here. I write, please subscribe the channel. It's okay for me. And here I want to write, please subscribe. Dear friend, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe the channel. Please subscribe, because your one subscription give me a lot of motivations to make more creative video, dear friend. Without your subscriptions, my creativity will die. You will not see new any video on YouTube. I will be discouraged and stop working, dear friend. So that's why subscription is a very essential. Like, comment which type of tutorial want. From here you can change color. From here we will learn in the next class lots of. No, today we are learning this basic. You see, in this way I'm changing the color here. You can take RGB color here. You can adjust from here. There are various color settings which we will learn one by one. You see here, you can take white if you want. White, I will take like this color. Yes, this is more visible. And I want to increase the font. From here you can increase the font. Just come here and we will type here 30, 40, 64. I take this. Now see, this is our thumbnail is prepare, and we will learn about how to make color grade our baby photo, change the look of our photo totally using hue, gamma, this all type of color wheels we will try in this set. Now I tell you one more. If you want the free version, I have been using more than 4 years. This is a GIMP actually. This is also the one of the best program here. I make my YouTube thumbnail, most of YouTube thumbnail using GIMP. Here I have, you come here recent, I have some recent program here, thumbnails I have made using GIMP here. You see here, we come here, DaVinci Resolve. You see this, I bought 1 week ago this speed editor DaVinci Resolve. I got two is license free, two is DaVinci Resolve, the best software. So if you buy $395, you can get DaVinci Resolve free license. This is the unique things. This is the thumbnail I made in GIMP. This is the interface of GIMP. The interface of GIMP is more difficult, but it's also professional and totally free, open source. You can donate here. It's one of the best programs, and everything which you will find here we can compare like one by one. This is where I have made our the YouTube thumbnail here inside this Infinity. And here I show you, this is the GIMP. You see, this is a GIMP where I have made this thumbnail here inside GIMP here, dear friend. So you can see these both interface, these softwares. This is the open source software, so where you can, same things you can create free if you don't want to buy. Otherwise 6 months you can use this license and learn new software, and for fun or for your knowledge you can learn, for growing your skill you can learn. You see the same, you can see their UI of two software. And other second free version, it's also the best software. This is totally free, Krita. It's also like Photoshop. And here you can, if you want to be a digital artist, you can make lots of thing inside Krita. You see, this is the UI of Krita. You can even here you can make lots of artists, paintings and designs. It's a more like photo editing plus design for sketching, for digital painting. You can use this. You see, its UI is also classical and good UI. Uses lots of brushes here, same which you find here in GIMP here, all type of brushes here in this software. Same thing you can find in Krita too. So these are the three softwares you can try. One, if you want to buy 6 month free trial, after you want to buy, you can use these. Otherwise, these two, I use these two software, Krita and GIMP, for my regular work. And nowadays I am trying this. Hello, dear friend. Today we learned how to upgrade, how to download, install Affinity Photo, and upgrade it to 6 months free trials. You try, learn this software. The learning curve is not so difficult. It's for beginners, and it has been designed for beginners and professionals. Both can use this software. This is the plus point, and you can open in any raw format, in any format you can work inside these softwares. There are lots of bonus points in this software. This software is not so heavy, so you can easily run on any system there, dear friend. Nowadays we have class about the video editing software, DaVinci Resolve, Cat and Live software, so which are totally free. These softwares are. If you want to join our class, please subscribe the channels. Don't forget to like and comment. suggest me how you will use these softwares. And if you have any comment, write and share this channel to those friends who are actually in need of such type of tutorials. If you need any tutorial about this Affinity Photo, write me in the comment box. I will make a special tutorial for you about Affinity Photo, and enjoy. If you like, you can after 6 months trial you can carry on. Otherwise there are two these alternatives, free alternatives. You don't have to pay anything, so you can carry on with this free software. There is no obligations. We meet in the next class, dear friends. Take care. Bye.